English practice makes perfect. Beginner English phrases.
Really. Really. Why? Why? It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Good night. Good night. It is early. It is early. It is early. It is late. It is late. It is late. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. I am fine. It is sunny. It is sunny. It is sunny. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. It is cold. It is cold. It is cold. It is warm. It is warm. It is warm. Maybe later. Maybe later. Maybe later. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Yes. Please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Where? Where? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. I am sick. I am sick. I am sick. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am sad. I am angry. I am angry. I am angry. Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I am late. My name is Carlos. My name is Carlos. My name is Carlos. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Where is the police station? Where is the police station? Where is the police station? Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. On the left. On the left. On the left. On the right. On the right. On the right. Which way? Which way? Which way? Go left. Go left. Go left. Go right. Go right. Go right. I do not understand. I do not understand. I do not understand. I do not remember. I do not remember. I do not remember. I do not have it. I do not have it. I do not have it. That is not true. That is not true. That is not true. That is not correct. That is not correct. That is not correct. I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible.
Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.